Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video, and this time I'll show you guys to change the lenses of Bose Alto style frame. So let's just go ahead. So you need a microfiber cloth in order to place your Bose glasses here, and then place your thumb on the top end of the glass and just gently slide it down so that the lens comes out, and repeat the same process with the old one. There you go, both the lenses are out, and that's your glasses. So I have recently bought this polarized glasses for my frames, so let's just unbox them. Yep. Oh, mesmerizing. I can see myself in this. Alright. I'll again repeat the whole process again. Alright, so okay. This one first. So this side, you'll keep it here and try to, starting from the top, and we'll just slowly and gently try to slide it in, and then the bottom ones, as soon as it's inside, nicely done. One is in. Let's go with the other one. Oops. Try to start from one end and then repeat it from the other ends. Yep, that's the click sound. There you have it. Your Bose glasses are good to go with the new frames. So these are the polarized ones. The ones which come with the frames are just the normal ones. And since I go for hiking and bicycle riding, so I need the polarized ones. Alright guys, stay tuned, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. Thanks a lot. See ya. Ciao.